You're advertising. You're advertising. Bam! All right, check this out. Do you know what affiliate marketing is? Basically, what I'm doing right now. But this is the way that we all do it. Every time we take a picture, every time we get on the gram, every time we get on Facebook, we take pictures. We're in the videos. We got on these clothing lines. We're advertising. You're advertising. You're advertising. What's going on here is that you don't even know what you're doing, but it's called influence, right? So just because you took the picture and you and the girls is looking smooth, guess what? Somebody seen that picture and said, just do it. And later on, for whatever reason, subliminally or whatever, they seen that picture, it equated to something, they found themselves at the store. You were kind of like the starting funnel. Now they're at the store, and for some reason they keep thinking Nike. Why? They found something in that picture that they attached themselves to. Whatever reason. But Nike stayed in their head. They found themselves at the mall, they had to buy themselves, guess what? Pair of Nikes. So, with affiliate marketing, you might as well directly advertise to the people. You might as well wear something in which you're going to make some money on. You can talk to them about Nike, Polo. I just wore this to just show you guys how simply we do it all the time. But then when the word affiliate marketing comes up, we don't believe in ourselves as far as, hey, you could do it too, when we're naturally already doing it. Yeah, you got to learn a little bit here and there and do some stuff. And no, I'm not recruiting anybody. I'm just saying we simply do it every day. Every time we watch a TikTok video or something like that, yeah, you hear that music. That's an influence. All I'm saying is get paid for what you do. That's it. You're advertising. You're advertising. I just gave you the game. It's up to you now. Holla.